Hi, welcome to Leeway Design, and today I'm going to share a fun new tool that I recently discovered that's really handy for people that want to share other people's content on their blog. So go to feedly.com, as you see here, feedly.com, and then you can just log in. Put in your name, email, create a password, create your free account, and here is the fun part. You click create a feed. So let's say that you have a blog related to fashion. You can just title this feed fashion, click save, and for adding content, scroll down, see if there's anything in here that resonates. If not, you just search fashion, and any hashtags tagged to content are going to pop up. So you can see Fashionista, a bunch of other websites. So let's say I really like Fashionista, click follow, add it to this little fashion feed specifically, click add. So now if I go to my fashion feed, it's going to show all the different blog posts specifically from that website. So if there's any other specific websites that you really like in the fashion world, or maybe it's not specifically fashion, maybe it's styling, or I don't know, something, hats or something like that. You can build this feed for all the different kinds of content that you really like. So let's say I have a specific website called Fashion Gurus. It's actually a super funny example because I am absolutely not a fashion guru. But let's say I am. Create that board, and then if I was in Fashionista and I was like, ooh, this is super cool, I'm gonna click star and add it to my Fashion Guru, and then it's saved. So if I pop down here to my boards, I can see this post was tagged to that board. So this is really handy if you have a bunch of different topics that you like to discuss in your blog, or maybe on social media, you don't have time to post, you just want to share something. You can go into feedly.com and kind of build a little library of different topics and other brands that you really identify with, and use the content that way. Thanks so much for checking out my video and my blog. If you'd like to follow me or learn more about my business, go to leewaydesign.co or follow me on Instagram or Facebook. Thanks so much and have a great day.